for the first time wan gi ng'anyo mar dakteche madwaro ni an agreement that was reached in 2017 mondo bed implemented. For the very first time in this country, wan gi ng'anyo madwaro ni dakteche omede osiptal. To mago dakteche ma waluongo ni interns. Nitie misinformation ma apani joma advise president omiye. Mano en the misadvice en ni dakteche matiyo kaka interns gin students ma are only paid stipend. That is not right. Kidhii osiptal, daktari midhi yudo mokwongo e OPD kacha kata ward kacha gotieno during lunch hour, mano e daktari miluongo ni intern. For a very long time, medicine ipuonjo gima waluongo ni tutelage. Mano ngiso ni daktari luo, daktari maduong for a number of years mondo yud experience on the ground. Daktari no oken student, ose yudo teaching from the university. Koro obiro e osiptal mondo chak teach, lakini tijni nyaka bed supervised. Koro ng'ado mshahara, and that is the main thing. Ng'ado mshahara mar intern doctor from 150 to almost 79 minus taxes is not legal. Is a contravention of international labor laws. So it is very sad samawangi president mangiso wani just accept a more than 70% cut in your pay nekech wadwa live within our means. Adwa bring your attention to Gazette Notice Mara 23rd of August, 9th of August 2023. Gazette Notice of 9th August 2023 showed that from all the way from the president to member of the county assembly, iyudo increment in salary of up to 14%. Also, Adwa bring your attention to Gazette articles. Mangiso kaka government osebedo ka tiyo gi pesa marach. There's a statement by one gosani. Mawachoni, why is it that some essential workers, mano dakteche, nurses, and clinical officer, duaro ni omegi wa implement CBA mane wasa in 2017. To President wachoni oyo sani wadwa live within our means. Lakini some politicians which for us we think is very bloated, duaro ni mondo omedgi pesa onge katanganyo. There is no even public participation. One no mana Gazette Notice mo work mangiso ni within the next 1 year wadibedo give 14% increment. Bear in mind, mano just 1 year ago, government